Hi everyone and welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Balbine. If you're new here, welcome. I know you see this. I cannot be the only one seeing this. The hair? Yeah, don't judge me. The nails? What is this? Oh no! So I'm pretty sure from that and reading probably the title of the video, you already know what this is gonna be. It's gonna be a maintenance vlog. So we need to start with doing our hair. Here's the cash though. I'm on a time crunch. I love my hair, I love the bob and everything, but let's just say the amount of time it takes me to do this, I cannot stand it. The wash routine, the straightening, please leave me out of it. I am tired. That being said, I couldn't find an appointment. Yeah, and I said probably can DIY this one. Also, the braids you've seen in the past like 2 vlogs, I did those myself. So I think I'm a little high on my own, but I want to weave. Actually, I have 2 styles that I need to choose between. But yeah, I'm thinking we can probably DIY this. Besides, what do we have to lose? If we can't figure it out, then we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna wait until an appointment is open. But who knows? It might just work out. So I don't know if you guys know these trendy braids now. They're called the Zoe Kravitz braids. But it's just basically a weave in the back, and then what essentially would be like your leave out for a weave is also braided, just, you know, and then the hair kind of like boho style, so you don't have to have any leave out. But I'm thinking that would eat. Or just do regular weave with some leave out. Here's the gag. I have never ever done a cornrow in my life. And I'm here thinking, yeah, I'm gonna do weave. Yeah. I will say though, I've watched probably like 10,000 tutorials on YouTube. So we'll see how we do. But yeah, I'm gonna try and choose between the 2 and figure out what it is that I'm about to try. And then we'll start from that. Hopefully that goes well. Probably tomorrow we can go get this done and the rest of our maintenance stuff so we can look cute and presentable. This, what is this? I keep looking here because I put my mirror over here so I can try to see myself. I don't know how I'm gonna see the back of my head because I don't have a second mirror to put there. Maybe a camera. But yeah, welcome back to another vlog. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Like, comment, share, all the good stuff. And yeah, let's jump into doing this hair.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.
Oh, good lord. Can you all see that? I can tell you the tutorial did not work. Because, what the hell is this? This should be a funny one. Wait, this one's not too bad. Okay, so these are the parts that I've sectioned off. I got a huge part up here just because I don't know how good I'm gonna do, and I want to be able to cover all my imperfections with that. And then the sides here, minimal leave out there, but yeah, enough. I feel like I didn't do too bad, like for a first time. By the time we're done with the whole head, like I will actually probably be good at that point. Who knows, but yeah. Okay, so we're done with the braiding. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see. I think it did good for the first time, okay? Please don't nobody laugh at me, okay? It don't matter, it's in braids. They look crazy, I admit that, okay? But it's my first time, so I can't even be mad at it. I definitely cannot be mad at it. I think I'm gonna do 2 more here, just small ones. I'll be back with the final result. Hopefully it's good.
The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh.
Alright, you guys, I just got done. I literally do not have time to style anything because I need to be done for the day, honestly. But this is the final result. I probably need to like cut it and layer it, but not too bad. Not too bad for my first try. What do you guys think? I feel like it's not full enough. That's probably the only thing I'm not liking. I would have wanted to have more hair. Not too bad for a little while. So yeah, I'm gonna go work out now and I will catch you in my next transformation, probably my nails or something else we're gonna be doing, girl. So yeah. Mwah. Welcome back. It's the next day. I tried to do a little bit of styling for the hair, did a little curls and cut the ends off a bit. Honestly, it does not look bad. It does not. And for a first time try, I'm very proud of myself. Okay, you guys tell me what you think. Honestly, I think it looks cute. With some girl math, I made money. Okay, I made money, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's the next day. I am headed to get my nails done. I don't know what I want for my nails this time around, but I just know we need something clean, something fresh. So yeah, I'm gonna figure it out and then we'll get our nails done. I also just scheduled an appointment for my annual. Probably not something that's typical to be in a vlog like this, a maintenance vlog, but you gotta start with the inside, girl. Like, all of these, what people see, well and good, we take care of that, but you gotta start on the inside, because if you're doing good on the inside, it also shows on the outside. So we're gonna go get checked tomorrow. Hopefully nothing alarming comes up at all, and yeah, if anything comes up, then we take care of it, inshallah. No kamood, nothing, okay? But yeah, for now, we're gonna go get our nails done. I am going to, honestly, a random nail shop in the area. I figured it would take probably a week to get an appointment with my usual nail guy. Yeah, it is fine. We'll just go try out somewhere else. I'm not too, you know, picky about my nails. If they're decent, I can wear them for a little bit and then, you know, we'll switch them up. But yeah, let's go get our nails done. We're transforming. I feel better than I did yesterday already. Okay, you guys tell me what you think about the hair though. Are we turning this into a business? Okay, I'm playing too much is what I'm doing. I'm playing too much. But yeah, let's get our nails done.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear. You were scared from not knowing, but I got a feeling that
I'll be right here
for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you'll never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. 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 Life's been till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001 times before. I bet. Let me fall into your eyes all over again. I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running 5 seconds.
2,000 years later.
The most dreaded appointment of the week is finally here. Yeah. We gotta do it, okay? No choice but to do it. The worst part about this, it is currently 3:10. Right? My appointment is at 3:20, which I'm running late for. I would say it's not like me, but it's so like me to be late. But anyway, it's 3:10 and I haven't eaten anything since yesterday because I needed to be in a fasted state so they can draw blood.
They ask you how you are, you
I
just
might
have to
not
say
look
that
like
you're
it, but
fine
I'm
when you're not
starting
really
to feel like
fine,
I'm
but you
about
just
to
can't
pass
get
out.
into it because they would
Okay,
never understand.
so that's no fun. But yeah, I'm headed there. I'm actually currently in traffic, but we're gonna make it late, but we're still gonna make it, and we're gonna get this over with. You know, maybe this is so weird to include this in a maintenance thing for some people, but in my mind I'm like, you know, maintenance is not just makeup or hair or nails or whatever. It's like you need to take care of your body. You need to take care of the inside so you can actually glow from the inside out. You know what I mean? I actually didn't get to film early this week, but I started this whole maintenance thing with getting my teeth cleaned. I tried. I started and the dentist was like, no phones, no videos. So that was that. But that's kind of what I'm saying. Like when it comes to maintenance, it needs to be more than just I got a facial done or I got my nails done. Like it needs to be more. You need to take care of your inside. It needs to include what you eat, what you're putting in your body, everything, getting yourself checked out. All of that stuff is maintenance, and if you can do it, if you have the privilege to do it, get it done. So let's drive and get to the traffic that I am in. I'm looking at the way back and I say, there's no way I'm making it back home to eat at home. I need to find something to eat in the city, okay? So yeah, I think we're gonna go find something to eat right after. But yeah, let's get this done. Christ, that was intense. But we're done. Now we wait for the result. What? Now we wait for the result. What? We wait for the results. Okay. I'm done. Cut the show. Cut the fucking show. Anyways, yeah, so I am hungry AF. I'm gonna basically break my fast with this. I brought some yogurt with me from home because I'm starving, and this has 20 grams of protein, so at least I can get started with that. And then I need to find something to eat around here, so I'm gonna see if there's like a kava around here. So I can grab like a salad or something. That sounds ideal. Yeah. Whew.
Who I'd be, what I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so.
Hi. That was really good. I smashed through it. Okay. I don't even think it stood no chance. Okay. Now I'm beyond full, but I'm happy. As y'all can tell, it's starting to get quite dark. So let's go home, relax, go to the gym, and start the weekend. If you take anything out of this vlog though, just take that you need to go get yourself checked out, take care of all of you, including everything on the inside, not just the outside. That's all I'm trying to say. I hope we did well. I feel better than when we started. I mean, hair is hairing. I'm getting compliments, so not bad. Nails are done. We've got our appointments out of the way. Teeth is clean, so I'm happy. Let's go home, do a little self-care, and that will wrap up this video.